Hello and welcome to Getfluence. My name is Anna, and I'll be guiding you through managing your mission on our marketplace. After processing the payment for your order, click on the Campaigns page. Find your new missions here with the status, Action Required. If your offer includes content creation by the publisher, start by entering your brief with all the necessary information for launching your project, such as the desired publication date and section. Don't forget to provide the links included in your offer. Click on Send to submit your proposal to the publisher. Once the mission is accepted by the publisher, you can access the Content tab and provide feedback on the proposed content. There you have it. Now you know how to manage your order on our marketplace. We look forward to seeing you again on Getfluence.